Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to Bliss Yoga channel. Today we'll work on our upper body strength through yoga poses. Upper body strength is really important for improving the flexibility, mobility and range of motion of our upper body. So be it your day-to-day activities, be it playing any sport, be it your workout, your HIIT session, or if you want to tone your upper body, it's very important to strengthen your upper body. So let's work on strengthening our upper body. So let's start. Sit in a cross-legged position like how I am sitting, or you can take one leg out if that's more comfortable for you. So let's start with some centering, which simply means just start to build focus for your practice by relaxing your body and mind, and let's practice it together with all awareness. So rest your hands on your knees, let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your whole body. Relax your breath. Let your thoughts to settle in at the back of your mind, allowing yourself to be in present. So connect to your breath. Find the natural pace of your breath. Just breathe in and out through your nose. Slowly, let's start to make our breath deeper. So let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out through your nose to lengthen your exhalation. Let's take 2 more like this. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's take 1 more deep breath. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your nose to exhale longer than your inhalation. On your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Let's continue with our practice. So before we start on strengthening our upper body, it's very important we release the tension from our upper body so that we get the maximum benefit from this practice. So take your arms up, breathe in. Interlace your fingers, stretch your arms up, breathe in. Releasing the tension from your spine, your lower back, your shoulders. Keep breathing in. And breathe out. Take your arms forward at your shoulder level. Take your palms at the eye level. Okay, let me show you the side view. So you're rounding your spine a bit. Push your palms out. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. Relaxing your upper body. Releasing the tension from your upper body. Continue to breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out. Rest your right palm down. Open your side body. Left hand over your ears, left palm facing down. Breathe. Take your right hand back. Interlace your fingers. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lean to your left. Rest your left palm down, take your right hand over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. And then you gently take your left hand back, interlace your fingers again, breathe in. Look up if you're comfortable, take your arms behind your ears for your shoulder mobility, breathe. Get your head to neutral position, relax your hands. Okay, now just take your hands on your shoulders like this, elbows in, just take your elbows back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it forward. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Now take your right arm forward. Take your right arm to the left. Hug your right arm in with your left and you look to your right. Release the tension from your shoulders. Breathe. We'll be using them while strengthening. So it's very important to release the tension from your shoulders, from your neck. Breathe. And then you gently release your right hand and then you switch side. Take your left arm out, take it to the right, hug your left arm in with your right and then you look to your left. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Now open your arms like this. Lift your heart, lift your chest, breathe, relax your shoulders, take your head back gently, keep breathing. And then you gently come to the front of the mat, take your hands back, interlace your fingers, put it at the top of your neck, take your chin to the chest, elbows in gently, stretch the back of your neck, breathe. Slowly get your head to neutral position, release your hands. Now take your right hand around your waist like this, take your left hand, put it on the right side of your head and lean your head to the left. Stretching the right side of your neck, draw your right shoulder back, draw your right shoulder down, breathe. And then you slowly release your right hand and your left. Now change. Right hand on the left side of your head, lean your head to the right, wrap your left hand around your waist, relax your left shoulder down, breathe, stretching the left side of your neck, keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly, release your right hand and your left. Now let's take a stretch for our arms and our shoulders. So take your hands back, reverse tabletop. Open your fingers wide, press into your palms, lift your hips up like this. Take your head back gently or you can look at your knees. Pressing into your palms, lift your hips up slightly more if you can, keep breathing. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips back on the mat and let's go forward bend. So seated forward bend, take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, stretch your arms forward. Release the tension from your upper back, from your hips. Just stretching your arms forward as far as your lower back allows you. Relax your shoulders, breathe. See if you can go all the way down, resting your forehead on the mat. Don't stress if you can't, it's okay. Just keep taking it towards the mat and breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your arms in, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, twist to your right. Left hand on the right knee, right hand back, draw your right shoulder back, sit straight, breathe. Come back to the center, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out to your left, right hand on the left knee, left hand back, draw your left shoulder back, sit long, breathe. And then you gently come back to the center. Let's go on all fours now. So, come on your palms, come on your knees, open your fingers wide. So your wrist, shoulder width apart, knees, hip width apart. Press into your palms gently. Drop your belly, chin up, breathe in, look up. Releasing your spine, your lower back. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. 2 more times like this, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. 1 more, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Get your spine to neutral position now. Now we will do downward dog. That will help you to stretch your upper and your lower body both. So press into your palms, tuck your toes. Lift your knees up, hips up. Push your hips up and back. Breathe. Push your torso towards your thighs. Toes pointing forward, your feet hip width apart, or you can make it slightly wider if that's more comfortable for you. Widen through your collarbone, press into your palms. Breathe, lengthen your spine. And don't worry if your heels are not touching the mat, that's perfectly fine. Just focus on making your spine long, pushing your torso towards your legs. Relax your neck. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your knees down, slide your legs back. Let's do cobra pose. Okay, so these poses are also good for strengthening your upper body, your downward dog, your cobra. So we're just starting to transition into strengthening now. So resting your palms down, arms slightly bent closer to your body. Relax your shoulders down and back. Breathe. If you want, you can create some space between your legs. If your lower back feels more comfortable in that way, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lower down your chest, chin down. Okay. So let's do this few more times. So just press into your palms, lift your chest up, breathe in. Breathe out, bend your arms, elbows closer to your body, chest down, look down. Breathe out. Do it 3 more times. Press into your palms, lift your chest up. Arms slightly bent, elbows closer to your body. Relax your shoulders. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go down gently, touching your chest gently on your mat. Breathe out. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Down. So you will start to build some warmth, some heat in your arms already. Slowly lift your chest up again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Down. One more time, breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Relax in crocodile pose. So just fold your arms, rest your chin on your palms, breathe. And then gently get your palms underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms, tuck your toes, go in downward dog. Now we'll get into a flow that will help you to strengthen your upper body. From downward dog, come in plank. And then from plank, you go in up dog. See how I point my toes? Lower down your pelvis, come in up dog. Thighs off the mat. We do this few times. Downward dog, breathe out. Plank, body in one straight line. Point your toes, up dog. One more time, downward dog. Plank, point your toes, lower down your body and up dog, breathe. And then you gently go back in downward dog again, breathe. And from downward dog, we're going to get into plank. So for plank, get your body forward, get your body in one straight line. Open your fingers wide. Don't put all the weight on your wrist. Okay, get your weight slightly more back and draw your belly button in. Take your weight away from your mat. So don't sink in the mat like this. Take the weight away from your mat. Breathe. Squeeze your hips. Engage your quads, your inner thighs. Body in one straight line from the crown of your head to your heels. Breathe. Really good for strengthening your upper body, toning your upper body. Stay here. Breathe. Make sure your hips are not sinking down. If it happens, just rest your knees down. Come back in plank again. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your knees down. Take your hips towards your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Rest for a few seconds here. Catch your breath. Take one breath here. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Slowly come up in all fours. And from here we go in downward dog again. So open your fingers wide, Press into your palms, tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back, go in downward dog. Breathe out. Now rest your knees down and we'll practice Chaturanga. So Chaturanga is really good for strengthening upper body. We do that as part of our Sun Salutation Surya Namaskar practice as well. So let's do it. Really good for again strengthening and toning your upper body. So open your fingers wide, come in plank. I'll give you two options here. First option, rest your knees down, bend your arms closer to your body, chest chin down, breathe out. Breathe in, cobra. One option. Second option, don't rest your knees down, get your body down, bend your arms closer to your body, breathe. Just hover your chest over the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come in cobra. Breathe in. So choose the option that works best for you today. Okay. So let's do it 5 times. Plank, knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in, cobra. Or you can take the second option, plank. Lower down your body. Hover your chest closer to the mat. Breathe. And then you slowly come in cobra. Okay. So let's do it 4 more times. Plank. Lower down your chest or knees, chest, chin down. Choose what works for you. Breathe. And cobra. Breathe in. 3 more times. Plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Or without resting your knees down. Breathe in. Cobra. 2 more times. Plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Or Chaturanga. Breathe in, cobra. One last time. Plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Or without resting your knees down, come down, hover your chest over the mat. Breathe. And breathe in, cobra. Okay, now slide your legs back. And we're going to do locust pose, Shalabhasana. Again, good for strengthening your upper body. Take your arms back, lift your chest up the mat, lift your legs off the mat, breathe. Relax your shoulders down and back, look straight, keep breathing, let your neck be relaxed. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the crocodile pose, Makarasana, here to rest for a few seconds. Slowly get the awareness back. Do this cactus arms, elbows closer to your body. Lift your chest up, lift your legs off the mat. Breathe in. Breathe out, lower down your chest, look down. We do this few times. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Lift your chest up. Breathe out, down. Look down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. 2 more times. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. One last time. Breathe in up. Hold it here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Crocodile pose. Catch your breath. Breathe. Observe all the changes you feel in your upper body. The warmth, the heat, the strength. Slowly get your awareness back. Lift yourself up. Come in Sukhasana, cross-legged position. So, this was a short yoga sequence that you can practice consistently to build strength in your upper body and to tone your upper body. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel. I post here new videos every week for your home yoga practice and it's completely free. I hope to see you again. Namaste. Thank you so much.